Alright, so hey guys and welcome back to Simple Cubing. So, have you guys ever heard of YouTube Shorts? Well, you might have if you watch YouTube. So in this video, I'm going to be recreating 3 of my favorite Rubik's Cube shorts, and yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys the results as well. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Also, all the shorts I will be recreating in this video will be uploaded individually on my channel, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, now let's get started. Alright, so I'm on YouTube right now, and the first shorts I'm going to be recreating is, I think, called the most satisfying Rubik's Cube shorts. So let me just search that up and I'll show you guys the first shorts, and then I'm going to be recreating that short. So yeah, enjoy. So that will be the first shot I will be recreating. Alright, so yeah, the first shot is done and the result will be coming right up. Now before that, I would like to tell you guys to like this video, and yeah, the result will be coming right up. Alright, so right now I'm going to be showing you guys the second shot I will be recreating. So yeah, enjoy.
This is how I take my big cubes and turn them into my much smaller cubes. Just like that.
Alright, so guys, the second shot is done too, so the result will be coming right up once again. So yeah, enjoy.
This is how I take my big cubes and turn them into my much smaller cubes. Just like that.
Alright, now, if you made it this far into the video, I want you guys to pause this video right here and comment down how much would you rate these recreations of mine. Now, if you're asking me, I would give them a solid 9 out of 10. Now let's move on to the third shots. So guys, now we are moving on to the third and final shots we'll be recreating in this video. So yeah, enjoy. Alright guys, so that's going to be the third shot I'll be recreating. So the result will be coming right up. Alright, so that will be pretty much it for this video. So if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to this channel as well. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.